Hey friends, it's Elizabeth Morse with Container Corner. I am coming to you from my patio today. I had a little inspiration. I often have written about incorporating vegetables and herbs into everyday landscapes, especially pots. And I had some company over, had an open house last weekend for my son, and people were poking around in my garden and said, hey, we really want to know how you decide what you're going to plant and how you get vegetables and plants that are productive mixed in with your pretty things and make them look good. And I do that. I guess I've always done it. I think, like, for instance, this is an English thyme plant. I think this is just such a pretty plant. Smells amazing. And so to me, I would not think twice about using this in an ornamental arrangement. But what I'm going to do today is make what's called, what I like to call a garden bucket. And what that is it's going to be a container garden that has some veggies and herbs in it, so it's producing food. And I've got this Hungarian hot wax pepper, and this is a beautiful plant. I think that the structure of the peppers, looks really interesting. I think we've all probably seen in the fall those planters that have like gourmet cabbage and maybe corn stalks and kale and things like that. And I just think that using plants that actually are producing is just kind of a great way to kill two birds with one stone. I've got this guy this is a patio tomato, and it's got a really compact habit. It's going to produce full-size tomatoes, but it's not going to get huge. And then a couple other herbs. I've got cilantro, I've got a couple marigolds because I think they're pretty. I've got dill because I like to cook with it, and I think that the beautiful ferny looking fronds are a really great looking plant. What else do I have over here? I've got some purple basil, again, a really pretty plant. It's got a little bit of striation here in the leaves, and that's gonna really stand out color-wise. I also grabbed this guy, Sweet Thing cabbage. This is gonna be a great kind of frosty blue green color, and this can kind of go under some of the other taller plants, and as the season goes on and the tomatoes and the peppers wear out, this will kind of transition the pot and move into fall because it's a cold weather lover. Then I also have these guys, Trinia, just because they're pretty, and I really like that they're purple and white. And then I got this 6-pack of zinnias, and 6-pack of zinnias, so lots of different colors here and some height. And I'm going to put all these together, and I think you guys are really going to think it's cool. It's going to just look like a pretty planter, and then it's also going to do double duty as providing a little bit of food and definitely some herbs and seasoning for your kitchen. So I'm going to go ahead and readjust my camera here so y'all can see what I'm doing. There we go. What do you think? Nice and full, really pretty. You can see over here we've already got some interesting form going on with the pepper. We've got little tiny tomatoes, and then we've just got all these pretty flowers. So at first glance you're thinking, gosh, that's just really pretty, but you're going to get a lot of mileage out of it.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.